Hey guys, got this mini G3 cam that these guys sent me to do an unboxing and review on. It's for indoor and outdoor use. It's got infrared and color night vision. Alright, it's got day and night HD video, built-in spotlight, two-way radio, motion and human detection, ready for any weather, and it also works with Alexa. Right in the box we got the camera, the adapter, the USB with the plug-in. It's got some kind of stick-on pad there and the mounting screws. You know how to use this thing. It comes with like a weatherproof connection there. So plug this into there. The USB into the adapter and the adapter into the wall. All right, you can see the lights from it. Go ahead and take this off now. Oh, it's a nice camera. Okay, it's plugged in. You know, on this thing we've got the supplement light right there.
Waiting for receiving the wireless config information.
All right, so I gotta sync it up to the phone. Supplementary light, the lens, and the microphone is right down there. The back of it is the speaker. All right, on the bottom here we've got the reset button and the micro SD card slot. And the SD card is not included. Okay, but we're gonna program this for use with the Vimtag, V-I-M-T-A-G, Vimtag software. So to do that, the first thing you need to do is install the Vimtag app. Okay, after you followed all the setup directions with the software, now it's time to go ahead and hang it up to where you want it. All right, here's a recording. I'll show you some night vision later. Hey guys, I'm going to demonstrate for you the different modes on this camera. We've got we've got day vision. There's day. There's night. There's night. We've got night vision. Looks just like this. There's HD. It's HD right there. And we have standard. And we have smooth. Right, there's a good way to hang it right there. Angle it up, go down.